Kia ora team, Stevie here from Survey and Spatial New Zealand. Welcome to a quick tutorial on how to navigate your membership dashboard and update your membership profile, how to control your privacy settings within your membership profile, and how to view and add your CPD records. So the first thing we're going to do today is log in and view our membership dashboard. And today we'll just be logging into my test profile. So if you've been previously logged in, what you might see when you navigate to our website initially is our homepage. So if you've already been logged in, you can come across to My Info, My Dashboard, and that will bring you to your membership dashboard. So a quick overview of what's contained in the membership dashboard. You've got your My Profile section, My Notifications, My CPD Points, where you can view and add your CPD points, any events that you've been registered for, any of your latest purchases that you've made from our website, what mailing list you're subscribed to, my company, my branch, my streams and divisions. What we're going to look at first is how to update your membership profile. So if I come back up to the top left and look at the membership profile, I'm going to click on the Update Profile button. And that's going to take me to the web page that contains all of my personal information. So you can see there my personal details, the qualifications I have, date of birth, the contact details, and something important to note in this field within contact details is we do encourage members to add a secondary email, especially if your primary email address is your work email address. If you were to change employers and not have a secondary email address, then it may be quite hard for us to contact you. So to keep on the safe side, to make sure that you're informed of all the latest events and membership information, we do encourage people to add a secondary email. Now scrolling down, you can add your social profiles, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, if you choose to, your address, and any other information that you may need to update. So if I'd made any changes in there, all I'd do is simply come down, click on the Save button. And then my membership profile is up to date. One thing also, team, just to be aware of, right down in the bottom left, you'll see the My Company tab. Now this isn't able to be changed within your membership dashboard. So if you do need to change it, reach out to Survey and Spatial NZ at our admin at surveyandspatialnz.org address, and we'll be able to update that information for you. Now we'll have a look at how to update our privacy settings so we can be in control of who can view our information. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the My Info tab in the top right of the screen. And that's going to bring me through to a web page where I can see my profile on the left hand side. What I'm going to do is follow the My Profile down to the Privacy tab, click on the Privacy tab, and this is where I can access all of my information regarding privacy. So the first thing I'm going to do is have a look at my profile. So I can see here that my profile is currently set to the public, meaning that anyone who navigates to our Survey and Spatial NZ website can view your profile. So if I wanted to amend that, I can click on the drop down box. I can see that I can change that to nobody, to members only, or change it back to the public. So I'm just going to leave this as the public. And I can do this for all of the information that I've uploaded to the Survey and Spatial website and my profile. So I can change who can view my online details. I can change who can view my contact details, my addresses, my employment, my social media profiles, and any other extra fields that I've added to my profile. So once again, the three options are nobody, members only, or the public, and I'm going to leave this on public. So just like with any other changes that you make to your profile or to your privacy settings, once I've made any changes, come through, click save, and that information will be saved. And it will take me back to my dashboard page. Now we'll have a look at how to update our CPD records. I'm going to come up to the My Info tab again in the top right. This time I'm going to go back to my dashboard. And here in the top right I'll see my CPD. And one thing to note there is my total points. So that's my total points for this year's CPD cycle. Now if I want to go through and look at my CPD records, what this is going to do is take me to a web page that shows all of my CPD records, not just for this CPD cycle, but all of the records that I've updated to my profile. And what I can do, I can come up to here underneath my name and click on New CPD Record, and that's going to take me to the page where I can add my new CPD. So something to note as well, another way to navigate to this is go back to my dashboard, right from the dashboard page, add CPD record, and this will take me back to the page where I add my CPD records. So what I'm going to do when I'm adding my CPD record is choose which category that it fits within. And one thing to note here is that the CPD policy will be able to show you what category to assign to your CPD records. I'm going to name it, enter the date that I conducted it, and enter the hours. And again, if you're unsure around the hours to assign to your CPD record, you can look at our CPD policy, which will be linked to this video, and that will be able to help you. But for now, I'm just going to say that the seminar went for an hour, so I'll leave that as an hour. Provider, venue, and down here I can add any other notes that I want to record to associate to my CPD record. From here I'm going to click save. Now you can see that seminar has been added to my CPD points, least squares, provider survey in Spatial New Zealand, and 1 hour. Now what I'll do just to make sure that that has been updated, I'll come back to my dashboard, and now you can see that my total CPD points has been updated to 3 points. That brings us to the end of this quick tutorial. We hope it was informative. Please let us know if you'd like any other information or if you'd like to see a tutorial on anything else.